Former Prime Minister Imran Khan, during a conversation with his legal team at Adiala jail, stated that his party's concerns about the illicit 26th Amendment have proven to be correct, as evident from the judicial system being completely paralyzed. He said that not only is justice not being served, but PTI's cases aren't even being scheduled in court. The Constitution and the law are being openly disrespected across the country, and court decisions are being blatantly disregarded. Mr. Khan emphasized that it is the result of this growing lawlessness that investment in the country has significantly dropped owing to the lack of investor confidence. Imran Khan expressed unhappiness that the military personnel who have taken over administration of the Adiala jail have not allowed his party members, colleagues, lawyers, and family to speak with him. Commenting on the state of lawlessness in the country, he said, and quote, "In their campaign to dismantle PTI, the ruling regime has systematically destroyed Pakistan's institutions. The judiciary, parliament, police, and investigative bodies like the FIA have all been stripped of credibility and functionality," unquote. The former premier has been in arbitrary detention for 630 days, while he has not been allowed his court-mandated family visits for 36 days. A mission has no deadline, says Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf's founding chairman Imran Khan. Friday marked 29 years since Imran Khan launched his movement for justice, and with faith, determination, and unwavering resolve, he continues to fight for his people. In a special message from Adiala jail on PTI's 29th Foundation Day, Imran Khan saluted every worker, supporter, and voter of PTI. He stated that PTI is not just a political party, but a movement. He said, and quote, "A movement that stands boldly against unconstitutional forces, defends the independence of the judiciary, and demands the complete autonomy of all state institutions." Mr. Khan reminded the nation that PTI is the largest and most popular political force in Pakistan's history, being the only federal party representing all 4 provinces. He bemoaned the decline of Pakistan into a banana republic under the current undeclared martial law regime, stating, and quote, "For our country to emerge from the severe political, economic, and security crisis it is facing, we need the bold leadership of a political party with broad public support, which can deliver real accountability, enforce the constitution, and implement deep institutional reforms." Imran Khan recognized the struggle of the overseas Pakistanis who are with us on the front lines of our struggle to restore democracy, justice, and constitutional supremacy in our country. Pakistan faces serious challenges from security to governance, yet the illegal military regime is solely focused on crushing Imran Khan and his party. Since the regime changed 3 years ago, millions have been plunged into poverty as the economy has completely collapsed. The World Bank cautioned on Wednesday that 10 million Pakistanis could face acute food insecurity during the current fiscal year, with poverty levels expected to rise. The economic growth projection is downward revised to 2.7%. Al Jazeera reports that Indian and Pakistani forces have exchanged fire along the line of control separating the 2 countries following the latest deadly attack in Kashmir's Pahalgam town. Suspected rebels killed at least 26 people on Tuesday in the tourist resort in the deadliest such attack in a quarter-century in Indian-occupied Kashmir. India was quick to blame the attack on Pakistan, with Modi pledging to hunt Pahalgam gunmen to the ends of the earth, while Pakistan promises to defend its sovereignty. The UN has called for maximum restraint amid warnings of a wider military escalation.